Let's cut right to it. The world of work is shifting under our feet, and if you're not paying attention, you're going to be left behind. The 9-to-5 grind, the slow climb up the corporate ladder. That's the old playbook. The new playbook is about speed, agility, and creating undeniable value. In 2026, the single greatest side hustle isn't about driving for a rideshare or delivering food. It's about leveraging the most powerful technology on the planet to solve a massive, urgent problem for millions of businesses. Think about your local gym, your dentist, the real estate agent down the street. They are experts in their craft, but they are not expert marketers. They're caught on a brutal content treadmill, trying to keep up with Instagram, TikTok, and whatever comes next. They know they need to be online, but they lack the time, the budget, and the technical skills to create content that actually brings customers through the door. They're posting, but nobody's listening. They're boosting, but nobody's buying. This creates a huge, painful gap, and that gap is your golden ticket. So let me ask you a question that could change your financial future. Why do 70% of small businesses now hire AI-powered content creators? Because they need content that converts yesterday. They don't need more fluff. They need results. They need leads, appointments, and sales. And they are willing to pay handsomely for anyone who can deliver that, quickly and consistently. You can build that and get paid. You can become the go-to solution for these businesses, creating a reliable, scalable income stream from your laptop in just a few hours a week. This isn't a fantasy. This is a simple, actionable plan. Here's the simple play. It all starts with focus. You don't sell to everyone. You pick a profitable niche. The key is to find businesses with a high customer lifetime value and a desperate need for a steady flow of new clients. Let's take real estate. An agent's commission on a single sale is thousands of dollars. They don't need 1,000 leads. They need a handful of qualified ones. You can use AI to generate dozens of video ad variations for a single property listing in minutes. Test different hooks, music, and calls to action to see what generates the most viewing appointments. You're not just making videos, you're filling their calendar. That's a service worth paying for. Or fitness. A personal trainer relies on recurring monthly memberships. Their problem, standing out in a crowded market. You can create a package of 30 short-form videos for them. Think workout tips, nutrition myths, client testimonials. You use AI to script, edit, and caption everything. Suddenly, that trainer is a local authority, and their class bookings are full. You just saved them 40 hours of work and generated thousands in new revenue. How about dental? A single new patient for a high-value service like Invisalign or implants can be worth over $5,000. Dentists need to project trust and expertise. You can create a series of short, educational videos, answering common patient questions, showcasing the clean, modern office, and featuring happy patient smiles. You're not selling drills, you're selling confidence. The pattern is clear. Look for any business with repeat customers, chiropractors, med spas, restaurants, subscription box companies, SaaS businesses. They all share the same fundamental need, a predictable way to attract and retain customers. And you are about to become their secret weapon. So, how do you actually do it? You use AI tools to create high-converting content at lightning speed. Forget spending years learning complex video editing software. The new generation of AI tools does the heavy lifting for you. Your workflow is simple. You can take a client's existing long-form content, like a podcast or a webinar, and have an AI tool automatically find the most compelling 60-second segments. It then automatically reformats them into vertical short videos, adds dynamic captions that grab attention, and even suggests viral-worthy titles and descriptions. You need ad hooks? There are AI tools that can write 10 different versions in 30 seconds. You just A/B test them to see which one performs best. You're not guessing what works, you're using data. You can generate entire video ads from a single text prompt, complete with AI-generated footage and voiceovers. You can create content in minutes, not days. This is the leverage that allows you to serve multiple clients without burning out. Now, how do you get paid? You don't charge by the hour. You charge per package. This is crucial. Your value isn't the time you spend, it's the results you deliver. A starter package might be $500 a month for 10 short videos with captions and a basic analytics report. This is a no-brainer for a small business. For a growth package, you might charge $1,500 a month for 30 videos, ad hooks, and more detailed performance tracking. For a business owner, this isn't an expense, it's an investment with a clear return. You show them that for every dollar they give you, they get $5 back in new business. The sale becomes easy. So how do you scale this from a side hustle to a full-blown agency? You start with one client. Just one. You over-deliver. You get them incredible results. You prove the ROI. Document everything. Create a case study showing exactly how you increase their leads or sales. This case study is now your most powerful sales tool. Then, you scale, with templates and systems. You templatize your video styles, your client onboarding process, your reporting. You turn your service into a repeatable, efficient machine. Once you have 3 to 5 clients and your systems are dialed in, you start using subcontractors. You hire other freelancers from platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to handle the editing or the captioning, using your proven templates. You become the strategist, the client manager, the CEO. You're no longer trading your time for money, you're building a business that runs for you. Now I know what you might be thinking. I'm not a tech expert. I don't know how to sell. Isn't the market already saturated? Let's tackle those head on. First, you don't need huge tech skill. These new AI tools are designed to be incredibly user-friendly. If you can use social media, you can use these tools. Your job isn't to be a coder, it's to be a creative problem solver. It's about your ability to write good prompts, understand the client's goals, and test what works. Second, is the market saturated? The market for generic low-quality content is. But the market for specialized, results-driven content for local businesses is wide open. While everyone else is trying to be a generalist, you will win by being a specialist in your chosen niche. The local dentist doesn't want a generic marketing agency. They want the person who gets results for dentists. That person is you. And third, where do you find that first client? Go where they are. Use LinkedIn to find business owners in your niche and send them a personalized message. Walk into local businesses and offer a free content audit. Run a targeted ad campaign for yourself, showcasing the exact service you provide. Your first client is out there, waiting for someone to finally solve their content problem. All it takes is hustle. In 2026, the money isn't in having the most complex skills, it's in delivering consistent, measurable content, fast. It's about being the bridge between a business's expertise and their future customers. This is more than a side hustle, it's a blueprint for a modern, flexible, and highly profitable career. The opportunity is here, right now. The tools are accessible, the demand is exploding, and the playbook is simple. The only question left is, are you ready to execute? Ready to turn an hour a day into real cash?